Hello everyone and welcome back. As I have said earlier, kitchen plays quite a crucial role in my life. More than just being a space to cook food, it gives me room to explore my creativity, a space to grant me some me time, and a place to create some happy memories. And when I get so much in return, then updating its condition, making it more inviting, and improving its functionality becomes the top priority. And so, I decided to add a few kitchen organizers to meet all these needs and make my happy place even more happier. I started by penning down all my pain points in the kitchen. Like the space in front of my gas stove is quite big, but boring blank. This tray in the corner consumes way more space. And do I really need all these things on this tray? So I noted down all the empty, cluttered, and waste spaces in the kitchen. Once we spend some time, only then we understand the importance of those blank spaces which can otherwise be utilized for better. After having a fair understanding, I decided to organize the kitchen countertop with few organizers that I already had and a few I ordered recently. And then came the exciting part of assembling everything and seeing if this calculative step was a good idea or not. First thing was to replace this big tray with a more functional organizer. This Lazy Susan was my instant pick as I knew exactly what I wanted. This organizer is not just functional but looks pretty in my kitchen. I selected only those items that I use during my daily cooking and rest everything will be moved to some new place. Just by removing a tray, I created way more space in this corner. And now I can very easily fit in any appliance and use this nearby switch very effectively. Next, I needed an organizer to arrange the left out things and other kitchen tools that I use more often while cooking. I had this metal rod from IKEA which is very ergonomically designed and solves every purpose. Instead of round, thick rod, it is very slim with rounded edges. The installation is also a breeze as it took just a couple of minutes to install. I will place the rod right above my stove for easy and immediate access. I have been using this rod to organize a few of my cleaning tools in the kitchen, and since it's made up of metal, maintaining it is very easy. Rods are the most underrated kitchen organizers, I feel. You will be amazed to see how many kitchen items it can accommodate. All you need is some creative thoughts and a few ways to meet those missing ends. My next great find in small kitchen organizers are these clips with hooks. There is no denial that clips are very useful items in the kitchen. But having the clips with hooks helps in easing a lot of deal breakers. Another such underrated organizer in the kitchen are S-hooks. I feel every household should have them, irrespective of where you wish to use them. But for my kitchen, they are perfect to hang things over this rod and create some extra space in this small area. Fruits form a vital part of our daily diet and hence the bulk purchase. But organizing the fruits in bulk was quite a challenge for me. And while I waited for long to finalize on a fruit basket, this one was definitely an awesome purchase. A. It is rectangle in shape, which means it can fit in any corner nice and tight. B. Two-tier makes use of vertical space and give me more room for fruits. And lastly, C. I can simply place an S hook and hang bananas separately, which is the toughest part of organizing a fruit basket. As I mentioned earlier, I am fond of organizers that make use of vertical space. This two-tier rack is of the perfect size to fit into this space and make best use of this otherwise dead corner. Finally, an oil dispenser and ghee has its own space. And every other daily essential will fit into this rack nice and beautifully. Kitchen feels new, and this version surely is bringing in a lot of value. Let me know your thoughts about these organizers in the comments below. And also tell which organizer is your favorite pick. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to give me that big boost of motivation, and do join me on Instagram for some daily life updates. And I will see you in my next video. Until next time, stay tuned.